It's not that easy being green, having to spend each day the color of leaves. When I think it could be nicer being red, yellow, or gold, something much more colorful like that. Hey you guys, welcome to Blending with Henry. Well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the serenade. I put my heart and soul into it, and when I see something unique, I like to sing about it. Well, if you haven't been in the loop about Vitamix lately, they have released an enhanced version of the Ascent A3500 called the Gold Label. Now it has accents of gold color on the touch controls, the rotary style variable speed wheel, and the nameplate area on the bottom front. Now these small touches of color can really accent many kitchen styles. Select colors like the sage shown here have a metal housing that is textured and strong. Now the body texture is very different than other A3500 color options. Now, as always, in my opinion, the back of Vitamix machines look much better than the front of other imitating brands. Now, I've had experience with imitators and copycats. They never match up or surpass the real thing. The Vitamix Ascent A3500 Gold Label comes in these four color options: sage, matte navy, gold, and white. Now the white, however, has plastic housing. Now from my own knowledge of other products, white has always been a difficult color to create with metals. If you already have an A3500 such as this beautiful one in brushed stainless, you are not missing anything functionally, you guys, from the Gold Label. They are 100% the same machine. Other colors may fit better in your kitchen as well, such as this candy apple red, which I call the Holiday Edition. The Vitamix Ascent Gold Label series is only available in the A3500. Now it comes with a 64-ounce container, tamper, recipe book, and a 10-year warranty. Now using my links below the video, you can check out and order any of the line of the Vitamix Ascent A3500 Gold Label. So you guys, as always, to celebrate a new Vitamix, I created a new recipe I call the Lime and the Coconut, made with fresh ingredients of whole limes, coconut milk, fresh basil leaves, and something sweet. So let's make it. To make the lime and the coconut drink, we're using the Vitamix Ascent A3500 Gold Label and Sage, of course. Now the blending vessel will be the Vitamix Air Disc container. It makes the best non-blended drinks. So the first ingredient is 1 cup of filtered water, 1/2 cup of full fat coconut milk, 2/3 of a cup of cream of coconut, 2/3 of a cup of simple syrup. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. So for example, 2 cups of sugar to 1 cup of water. Now this may seem to be a lot of sweetener, but keep in mind the recipe contains water, unsweetened coconut milk, and we're adding ice in the end, so it evens out. 4 large limes, peel and pith removed. You can add 1 to 3 medium-sized basil leaves. And a heaping cup of ice. The air disc will muddle the ingredients rather than blend them, allowing the juice from the limes and other flavors to mix together. Henceforth, Vitamix! Starting the Vitamix, and we're muddling for 1 minute on the highest speed. It's cold and ready to drink right now. Now here's a trick for you guys. Unsnap the lid and tip the lid forward, allowing only the liquid to pour into the glass. Now this prevents the skins from the limes from exiting the container. I discovered this easy hack when Vitamix first introduced the air disc container. I made the strawberry mango drink and fresh lemonade. And it's really perfect for non-blended drinks. Now adding a couple of lime colored straws, and there you go. Here you can see by tipping the air disc lid, it trapped all of the lime fiber. Only a small bit of pulp and bits of basil leaf are all you want in your drink, but discard the fiber of the limes. Think of this as the anti-smoothie, a refreshing beverage of coconut infused with lime and a hint of basil and just the right amount of sweetness to complement the ingredients. The perfect summer island beverage to have on the beach or a late afternoon boat ride. A recommendation: when plating or presenting to guests, lay out color fabrics of lime and black and place shredded coconut, lime slices, and basil leaves over select color fabrics so your guests will know what's in the drink. And doesn't this look great with the Sage Vitamix Gold label? I think so. One more fun way to enjoy my lime in the coconut drink: turn it into a slushie. No blending required. Just place the drink in the freezer for at least 4 hours. Now I have it in a silicone measuring cup, which is great to store in the freezer. Now give it a good stir and it becomes a delicious slushie. Now for this method, I do recommend you guys to use a sieve to filter out the lime pulp. Fresh lime gets bitter as it sets, so filter it first, then freeze. Of course, add a set of matching straws and an umbrella with a lime slice. Dress up your plate with limes, more umbrellas, and some fun sunglasses. And there you go. Now summer isn't over yet, but this drink can be enjoyed year-round. Alright you guys, thank you so much for hanging out. It's been a while, right? Now you can grab my lime and the coconut recipe and check out the Vitamix Ascent Gold Label series from the links below the video or on blendingwithhenry.com. See you soon.